Oh, no.
What was that?
That's dog vomit.
Dog vomit?
Yeah.
Is that a fungus?
Yeah. Duck. Fungus. Duck. Duck.
Yucky.
Duck. It's dog vomit from fungus.
Fungus.
Fungus. Fungus. See? That.
Yeah, that's a fungus.
Fungus.
Real bad boy. I've got a ton of gravel in my shoes, world on my shoulders, a heart full of blues, and in the dirt, down in the dirt.
Big day today for Trace. He's got to get a haircut. First professional barber haircut. And I'm getting one too, but we gotta tend the garden.
I've been a real bad boy on the town all night, starting to calm down with the morning light. I'm in the dirt, down in the dirt.
All the time we have for now, 10:08, haircut at 10:30, and then hanging out at the library. Let's go. Ready to get your hair cut, dude? You can cut your hair at the barber?
Hair.
Yeah, the barber's gonna take it all off. We're gonna give you a cool do. You excited? How do you feel about taking Trace to his first haircut?
Excited because I think he's gonna look cute.
You think he's gonna look cute?
Mm-hmm.
I think he's gonna look cute too. He is gonna look cute. We gotta get his hair cut just like Dada. You wanna get your hair cut like Dada, buddy? And cut your hair like Dada? You want it like me?
Me.
You and me, okay, bud? We'll look just like each other.
Sister.
No, sister's not getting her haircut today. Just you and Dada.
Mama.
Nope, not Mama either.
Look, Cheyenne, here's the trolley.
Been a real bad boy. I've been a real bad boy on the town all night, starting to calm down with the morning light. I'm in the dirt, down in the dirt, down in the dirt, down in the dirt, down in the dirt.
Let me take a picture, buddy.
What do you think of his hair?
Trace, let me take a picture.
Thanks, Lewis. See you, buddy. Bye, thank you. Did such an awesome job. All right, library, and then to Cheyenne swim lessons. Here we go.
Why are they not making noises?
I don't know, babe. leap back home to me. Lauren Thompson, Matthew Cordell. Leapfrog over the ladybug. Leapfrog over the bee. Leapfrog over the tickly clover. Bloop. Then leap back home to me. Leapfrog over the daisies. Leapfrog over the creek. Leapfrog over the splashing beavers. Sproing.
Bing.
Then leap back home to me.
Bing.
Leapfrog over the owl's nest. Leapfrog over the
That.
trees. Owl.
Owl.
Leapfrog over the rocky hilltop.
This.
Frog.
Frog.
Then leap back home to me. Frog time stories.
Frog.
Mama. Leapfrog over the mountains. Leapfrog over the sea. Leapfrog over the roaming clouds. Whoosh. And then leapfrog back to me. Leapfrog over the sun. Leapfrog as high as you please. Leapfrog out of the furthest stars. Zoom.
Zoom.
When you leap home, here I'll be. The end. The end.
Back.
Let's
That.
go. Leaving the library.
Quack. Quack.
Go see Mama.
Quack. Quack.
Come here, buddy. Trace, come here, buddy. Rub your hands. Rub your hands together.
Clean up your hands, Cheyenne. Trace did such a great job getting his haircut today. I could not believe that he finally calmed down and was able to get an awesome cut. He looks good, sharp like me, completely passed out, but he looks super cute. Mouth full of bread. Oh my goodness, look at that guy. Hilarious. So we're a little bit early to Cheyenne's swim lessons. It's 12:20 and she's supposed to be here at 12:45. So we're just kind of hanging out in the car. Wyatt's getting a meal. Cheyenne's in the back, excited, about ready to put on her swimsuit and go into the pool so she can learn how to swim.
Trace's haircut is super cute. I think he looks like my brother when he was a little boy. He used to get his haircuts. It's really funny and nostalgic to see him with his haircuts. Because I remember taking my brother to get his haircut, and they look so much alike.
How old was Brian when he got his haircut? Was he 2?
Probably.
Yeah, 2 years old.
I want to say hi to the camera. Hi, I'm Cheyenne, and Trace looks very cute with his haircut, and I like it. And I'm going to my swim lessons, and we're a little bit, and I'm excited for my swim lessons that I'm gonna learn, and Dada told me about when I want to go to Mama and Papa's that they have a big pool and I can learn how to swim, and Mr. Jordan teach me how to swim.
That's awesome. Mr. Jordan's your teacher?
Yeah. And I like to, Mr. Jordan helps me get up.
Nice. Trace, what do you think about sister's swim lessons? Good.
I like Trace because I like Wyatt because I like Trace and Wyatt because they're so cute.
Relax. One, two, three, big arms, scoots. Stretch hands, long arms. Good job, way to grab that long. Okay, remember, stretch, huge, come back. Perfect, just like that. And on and on. Long arms. Long arms and stretch. Good job. Way to get there.
Enjoy you.
Yeah.
Big arms. Big arms.
Hi, buddy. So much fun today working with Cheyenne at her swim lessons. I was pretty nervous when he kept dumping her under the water. I could not believe that that's how they've been learning to swim. That was the first time I was there.
That's how it was the first day that she had lessons. He just said, let's go. Just swim to me from the wall.
Yeah, that's nuts. I mean, she's just like dunking and choking and coughing and dunking.
Not that bad.
Well, she like looked like she was gonna throw up.
I don't think it's that bad.
I don't know, it was pretty crazy. I was nervous, but she did such a good job. I'm proud of her. And then I got my little guy with his new haircut. How do you like your haircut, Trace? Haircut? Yeah, you like it? Yeah, it's pretty cute, huh? You're cute. Mama. Okay. Dada. Did I get a haircut? Yeah.
I didn't get my haircut.
How about Wyatt? Did Wyatt get a haircut? No. No haircut. No haircut.
Well, we're gonna eat lunch now and wrap this up.
This? Hot sauce? You don't like hot sauce. That. Alright, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow.
Bye-bye.
See you tomorrow.
Mama. Mama. Mommy.
Long arms, scoop, Cheyenne, scoop.